Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share a project I made for a friend. And we wanted to do, well, I asked her if she wanted to do a swap with me, and she was so nice to said yes. So I picked out a random thing that I haven't made. Not that I haven't made pocket letters, but I haven't made the mini pocket letter. So I'm going to wrap it in this cute little sack, this bunny sack from the Dollar Tree, and I think it's so cute. And I'm going to add one of my clips to the packaging. I think it will be so cute. So yeah, here is my mini, I don't know how to fold these, but my mini pocket letter. How cute! Isn't that cute? It's just a third of the baseball card page that you would get at Target or Walmart or whatever, and you just cut it down. One of the three rows. So let's start with the tassel. I made her a mini tassel to go with her mini pocket letter, and I just added some trim, some lace, some pearl trim, and really pretty pastel ribbons from my stash. And then this bling is from the table scatters that I bought at Dollar Tree. I got it on sale actually for 25 cents a pack. I thought that was a score. And then I added some washi tape. It's like a gold washi tape on the side here, just to cover the packaging, or the what do you call it, that labeling from this baseball card holder. Anyway, okay, so my first pocket, I used this paper pad from Tuesday morning, and then I covered, I think it's really thin chipboard from packaging, and I layered it with this bear from Cottage Cuts, and his name is Mr. Snuggles. If you guys are interested, it's so adorable, so versatile. You can have him holding anything. I have him, I think in the back here I have him, I made one for her, holding a heart. Isn't that cute? He is so adorable. I'm so glad I played with him. So I inked the edges. I added some white gel pen to his eyes because it's just embossed. I cut him out twice out of different color cardstock, as you can see in this one. He's those two other colors. So this is a light colored one, and this is a dark colored one. I think he's just adorable. This bunny ears came from an online store that I cut out, and here are some little enamel dots. So I love how he's holding this egg, and this egg came from my Creative Times egg set, stitched egg set, and I just love how that one turned out. The second one is kind of like a scene. I added a Dollar Tree word sticker. The banner is made out of this stamped punch from EK. No, is this an EK Success? Yes, it is. An EK Success. It came in a 2-pack. It has another pennant punch. I added some Tim Holtz stickers, his letter stickers, or his mini letter stickers. That's how they fit on the banner. Added some twine. This is the basket is from an online store. This bunny and the little eggs are from my Creative Time. I think it's the bunny set. It's a really cute set. The grass is from EK Success. No, Fisker's. Fisker's grass border punch. Oh, sorry. These little tiny bows are from the American Crafts Punch Out that I bought at Tuesday Morning way back when. And they still have these. I just saw them. I actually bought a new one at Tuesday Morning. It's a bigger one. And I've been looking for this one. They were selling this at Target, and when they clearanced it out, I missed it. And I'm so glad I found it. So it wasn't as cheap as Target, but oh well. So that is that one. And then my last pocket is just a mason jar that I punched out. And this mason jar is from Jelly Bean Soup. You have the stamp and the die set. I think it's for a shaker, but I didn't use it obviously for a shaker. I just cut it out with pattern paper and added a sticker from Dollar Tree. So I love how that one turned out. And then here are my goodies for her in the back. I probably will give her some more die cuts because I don't think that's enough. And then here's some washi tape. These are Post-it notes from Target. I just think they're so cute. And that is my mini pocket letter. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I've been seeing everybody make these online, and I didn't understand what it was all about. I knew it was an embellishment box. I didn't know where they were getting them, and then I saw these boxes from the Dollar Tree, and I think I have a couple. Let me see. Yeah, I think I have a couple of these for my sequence, but I never thought of embellishing it and adding some goodies. And I'm gonna not open this. I'm just gonna show you what I created, or how I decorated it. I added some, it says like some lace trim from my stash. Here's those dies again. I just love this basket and these bunnies. This is a, it came from Tuesday Morning that I already took the packaging out. And I added some more of that sticker. It says Hello Spring. Here is a Hobby Lobby embellishment that I've been using. Yeah, and I called it a day, and I have all kinds of goodies in here for her. So that is going to her. Then I also made a wand. It's a mini wand, so it could go with the mini pocket letter. All I did was use one of my doilies. This is a cupcake liner that I just pleated. The other way I did it, I didn't like it, so I added a different way. Here is some more of that lace that I used. Kind of try to keep it coordinated. Here's a button bling from my stash. Here is a bow that I made a long time ago, and here's a bead, word bead from Michael's. And then I just cut the straw in half, so it's a mini wand for her. So I made that. And then lastly, I made an index card for her. Here's another clip that I just added to it. Some more of the paper in the background. These are just embellishments or ephemera that I've collected through the years. Here's just some of the pearl bling that I just kind of glued on. So I don't know, I've been liking the collage look. And here is a Heidi Swapp heart. This is also from Heidi Swapp, this banner. And I have a doily lace, paper doily in the background. And here's some of the Dollar Tree stickers. And then here's some Prima flower with a button. So I really love how that one turned out. It's so cute. I think it's very, spring-like. And I'm going to put my information in the back for her. So if she wants to start collecting these, she'll have my first one. So I'll be the first, I guess, is what I meant to say. This is not my first IC card, so I love making these, so these were lots of fun. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope my partner or my swap partner likes what I've created for her, and I have to get these out because we're going on spring break next week or this week, and I have so much to do, guys. Oh my gosh, I haven't even started on the cards for Paige. Oh my gosh, Paige. I haven't even started on those, and I know it's due by the end of the month, and so I have that. And what else do I have? Oh, I'm supposed to do something for Scrap Ben Saturday. I don't know if I'm going to get that done. And then it's going to start with another 6x6 pad in April. So wish me luck, guys, and have a great day. And I will chat with you guys soon. Bye, guys.